how to turn off captures on Roblox. So let's begin by opening up your Roblox and click on a game, enter a game, because without entering game, you cannot do that capture option. So once you're in a game, just click on the play. So you're in a game right over here. Now what I'm going to do is just click on the top left three lines, click on it, and then after right, click on capture. So I have, enabled my capture. Now turn this off over here. So this will disable your capture. Now your capture will be off. So I hope you found this video useful. So thank you so much for watching.